Hi guys, I would like to show you the video that I have a new design that is coming up. So this one is a um, 3000 watts up to 4000 watts peak of inverter, but this is the old model, so it's not that efficiency, right? I have this pack for like lighting and laptop, computer, TV, um, and I when I use a small one, even for the router and the modem internet, because this is outside, so there's a lot of dust. And So when I run a refrigerator, when power down or something, I will plug it in here, and I run the power cord over to my refrigerator outside the wall, and I drill the hole to run the power in, to get the refrigerator running, so the food is not go bad. Now this pack, I removed the the VCR box. So in here I have 57. I count earlier on one side, one of this and this. I used to have only this right here when before I expand it. So this one will give me a 12-volt system for the small inverter, but then later I found the box, so I add more. So this one is more than 2000 milliamp, 2 amp each. About 57 or 58 of the cell, I count 57, but some of them they will have 58 or 59. So that will come out what, 2 amp multiplied by 57, so that 120 almost, right? So let's say 110 amp, right? 110 amp. And I will come up with really interesting information. Hang on tight with me. So this one, I because this one, okay, so this system is 12.6 volt. It will shut off, right? 4.2 volt each. When you get to 12.6, it will shut off that, and then this one shut off, right? Because no more power, right? But this one will run up to 14, 16, 15 volt, 14.4. The setting of so this is the lead acid seal lead acid battery. So when I don't have I have to calculate in my brain how much I use. This meter is also so how what is the volt, right, when I run all the way down. Because of this one is MPPT now, so it will absorb a lot more amp into it. And this one I will have to calculate this battery how much remaining, blah blah blah. That's a lot of work to calculate in your brain. For the next day you have to watch the cloud or the sunny day, right? And I have 3 of the 100 watts, so that means 300 watts of power, solar. So I have to turn this one on to make sure that this my inverter continue running, because this one run up to 14.4 volt maximum. So that is way too much work, right guys? So now my coming up design is I will make a 14 a 4 series. This one is only 3 series, that is 12.6 volt. Okay, and I'm going to make a 4 series, so that means what, add another 4.2 volt. So that is 4 plus 2, that's 16.6, 16.8, right? 16.8 volt maximum. So that is way into the range, right? Or out of the range or whatever, right? So this one is right now when you buy from the store, eBay or Amazon, when the ship is the setting original is, I think it's 14.4 for the lead battery. So I will make another pack, right? This is my 3,500 milliamp. You can see in here. Come on, focus. Okay, 3,400. Okay, so this is 3,500 milliamp. Let me tap on the screen. There you go. Let me tap on screen and this will see more clear. Okay. So this one I bought a lot on Amazon, and the pack come like this. In the brand new in the box, in the bag like that. Okay. So if you guys, I bought so many that I cannot use them all, and if you guys would like to share with me, I will send you a pack. I have the link below, my contact information and the email, and come on, focus. There you go. And this one is 3,500 milliamp. This is a point head like that, and this one is a flat head. This one is a flat head. This one is 3,000 milliamp. 3,000 milliamp. 18650 battery cell. Okay, so I have a lot of this. I have a lot of this. Maybe like 300 or 400 pack of this. 300 or 400 pack of this. It's come in a brand new bag like this. I will open it. I will check, make sure that which one it is before I ship out. Okay, so you guys will have a brand new pack before test and everything. This one I think is a brand new. Maybe I already tested. The testing is only 1 or 2 cycle, maybe 3 cycle maximum, which is mean discharge and recharge it. That is 1 cycle. So this one I already test them before I like to sell, but then eBay they you know, they have the new law rule whatever, so they stop let people selling it. But the a low MO fake battery, or people get around with it, and they still can sell 18650 battery on eBay, and I cannot. I try to sell, but then I get banned, or I get kicked off, or get delete the post, the sale, and the employee let other people sell but not let me sell it. Okay, so you still can see 18650 battery on eBay, but it's not good high quality. And this one is by LG. Okay guys, by LG came. LG right there, see LG. Okay, so 3,500 milliamp on this one, and 3,000 milliamp 3,500. And each of them is 20 bucks. Okay, 20 bucks. I bought on Amazon is 25 plus tax, 24.99 plus tax, shipping. I mean, whatever, it's come out to like $27-28. But this one is 20 bucks, you guys, including shipping. Okay, so what my new design is, I thinking about make this as a 4 series and then hook onto that. But then I'm thinking, well, that one is our own battery, right? That one is own battery and 3 series already. So I will not use that and then continue make a bigger pack. Here is my bigger pack, which is doesn't make sense, right? So then I will make a pack of this. So this one, because I have so many, I have more of the arrowhead battery than the flathead type. So I'm going to make a pack of this to make a 4 series with that. That one right now is already 3 series. I will make another box or something, cover and with a bag or seal, whatever, put it outside next to it, and then run the power line into it, cable conductor, whatever, to make it a 4 series. See, you have so many of those there, so make it a 4 series, right? So this one 20, that means 40. So 40 times 2, that means I get what, 3,500. That means 7 times 2, that is 140 amp, right? 140 amp for that. What do you guys think? Should I use that for 140 amp? But that one is only 110 amp, right? 30 amp will be not so useful. Besides, that one is getting old. That one maybe like a year of use already. Okay, so maybe I will use this one. This is 3000 milliamp. So 20 of this will be, 40 of this will be 120 amp, right? But maybe you guys want to buy this better because this one easier for you guys to spot welding, and maybe I save this to sell back to you guys, right? Because this one's easy to spot welding, and this one a little bit harder to spot weld because the top are very small, so you can only spot weld twice. Two hole. Enough for 2 pin that you tap on. 2 pin on tap on, but this one you can tap 4 pin. Okay, 1 2 3 4. You have a bigger base or head to tap the pin on. Now another point that I have a Tesla, so you guys well know, if you guys research and hear the story from people, Tesla have a battery problem. Okay, the 12-volt battery, they only good for 2 years. If you use it longer than that, they start to fall and have a false problem because their battery going down, and the voltage is not high. They start to going crazy, right? So now I'm thinking about I will save this and make it for uses as a backup for the Tesla. But this one, the measurement is too big. The length is good, but the height is higher or taller than the Tesla battery cell. The Tesla 12-volt battery. I have a Model Y, so this one is taller, a little bit taller. But when you put in a box, it's going to be a much taller, and then you have to put a BMS. The BMS for the Tesla, you will have to use a 100 amp BMS. Okay, 100 amp. You cannot use 10 amp or whatever. See, this one is say 100 amp in here. This one say 30 amp in here, but I don't trust this because it's so small. I can remove it. Okay, so this one is 30 amp right there. You see, it say 30 amp. I bought this during the time I bought this long time ago, during the time that I want to make the 4 series for the laptop and connect directly to the laptop battery. So so it saved me power. I can use like forever, right? I put the 12-volt 18-volt solar and 8 amp on my roof, and I connect directly down to the battery pack like this, and make the wire connect to the laptop battery cell, and make it run like that. It's not going to work like that, guys. It's crazy how they program the laptop, which is mean if you remove the 18650 battery from the laptop battery, right? Then you make the wire from this, you connect to that laptop battery, and then you put it into the laptop. It will not work. Yes, it's insanely crazy. I don't understand why. Maybe because of the BMS or the controller or the software of the laptop, they are reading the battery health. The battery health of a single cell of the laptop. It cannot read the health of a 100 amp battery pack like this, right? 120 amp battery pack like this. It will drop volt, it say, oh, battery down, 1% left, 1% left, and then it's shut down. Even if you only use it for like few 2-3 hours, okay. But with this big pack, you can use it for like 3 days, 3-4 days, okay. So the only way you can get around with this is you have to use the inverter, okay. You have to use this with a 12-volt outlet, and then you plug that into a 12-volt outlet, and then you can run the power from that to the laptop. That's the only way. But that kind of make it noisy, right? Because it's the fan. Yeah, the small one, you're not going to have much noise because of the small fan. It's very small. It's like 1.5 inch square. So back to the story, that this one you can I will make it into a box and use as a backup for the Tesla when I travel. But when I'm in the city or travel in a short distance, I may not bring this with me. My battery now is 2 years. I have a 21 model, now it's 23, right? So almost 2 years. It's the battery is already went bad before. Now is it could die anytime now. It went bad before, and then I send them a message. I say that the 12-volt battery pack is going crazy on me. So they say come in and they replace the first time for free. The first time, because the 12-volt battery on the Tesla, they warranty is like 4 years, right? So before the 4 year over, you need to bring it in, and they replace you with the 12-volt for free. Okay, so this one is kind of too big. So when you use it as a backup, you will use a clamp, right? When you use a clamp, don't tell them. I'm gonna tell you guys, right? They may see the clamp like that for the 12-volt. You can put it in the front. They may void your warranties, right? But what the heck? You get stuck on the freeway. It's dangerous to park on the freeway or on the street somewhere, right? And then when you call them mobile Tesla, mobile service, whatever, are they going to come to you right away? Heck no, right? Or you hurry out for work. You don't have time to come in to for them to replace the 12-volt. You can use that 12-volt or use the ring one and then snap onto your battery and run while you wait for the time that you can come into Tesla, right? Or you can cut this in half, right? And then you make this. See, this is like 10, right? 10, 10, 10, 10. That means 20 cut it in half. So 20 cell each, 20 cell right here. So that means you get the 16.8 volt, right? The battery, the Tesla charge, the voltage is go up to like 15 volt, 15 volt or 14.8, 14.9 volt. But you cannot use that dry cell lead acid battery and put into the Tesla, right? You guys know that? You don't? Okay, so that one is only maximum you charge is only 14.4. Okay, so when it, and this is the AGM class, whatever, you know, it's not the same with the Tesla battery. So Tesla battery will last you for 4 years or something, but if you slap this one in, it will only last you maybe 2 years or 1.5 years. Okay, so back to this, you cut it in half and you can get a smaller pack. This one is heavy. This one heavy though. I don't have the scale here to wait to tell you guys, but you can cut it in half and you can leave that in your front, in the front, in the front, and use it as a backup just in emergency case. Okay, or you can even make this and then with the ring lock and connect it to your 12-volt battery and loop it and leave it there. When you emergency, you can just connect this, connect them together and have it as a backup. What is this? I forgot what it's called, but you can read it on there. You can search it on on Amazon or eBay. Just if you don't know, just say connector, DC connector or something, and then search on there. They will come out. I forgot what it's called. Sorry guys, I'm not good at English. But anyway, so that is the another point to show you guys, right? So that one I will slap this one in to make it a 14 volt, and then use this one for Tesla. And and here's another one that I want to show you guys. This one is the air filter box. This one plastic. Now the length is good. The length let me zoom out, try to zoom out. The length is good. You guys can see that the length is good, but the tall is too tall. You see, the tall too tall. Okay, so maybe you like flat like this. 1, 2, 3. You get the 12 volt. Okay, 12 volt battery pack. Now, if you found a what is it called, a audio mixer, it's much bigger, it's much thicker. Okay, much thicker. So here, watch. You can see the tall of the battery pack. You have enough tall, right? See, and then you can even use this as a terminal connector. You see, a terminal connector from the outside and go in. This one is not a heavy duty. It's not a heavy duty, but if you use a multiple what is it, what do I want to say, multiple terminal, right? Multiple connector, you will be fine, right? Or you can just make it like mine, or you want to buy the multiple terminal connector and you put it on the wall from Amazon. I will have the link below as well, with the link below the video. And then you can see all of these hoses. You can run the wire out, something like this. You see, run the wire out, and then this one will stay outside. This one will stay outside, so you can connect the lug to it, right? Connect the connector. And the other end, instead of this one, I have this one is for my testing only, you guys. It's not a permanent yet. Because this is not the permanent area, I will move to different location. So the outside pin you will connect to the ring, okay, and that ring you will connect to the terminal on the wall. Okay, remember on the wall is have like 5, 10, I mean 6, 8 or 10 connector in here. You will connect that to the wall, okay, from battery to the terminal on the wall, and then from that terminal on the wall you will connect to your charger, okay, your solar charger, right? Then from your solar charger you will connect that to my inverter connect directly to the battery. Yeah, my inverter connect directly to the battery. The outlet of my solar controller is right here. I didn't use it for any lighting. You guys, if you guys use it for lighting, like for the mobile home or something, you guys can connect it to here. So the solar controller, you will connect that to the terminal, the power terminal connector, and then from that terminal you connect to the battery bank, okay, and my inverter is connected directly to the battery. So here is my bigger bank. Now my bigger bank, I can fit the tall. I have the tall, right? But the length I can use like 1 right here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in the fourth one I will make like in this one top, this one going upside down, and then the third one down here is going to be up like that. Okay, and then I connect on this pad going to connect to the other 3 pad. We'll make it how many M is that? Let me count. Right, so this one 7 7 1 2 3 7 times 3, that's 21. So 21 21 times 2, that is what, 42, 420 M. Is it real? Wait a minute. Okay, so 3M times 2 right here, right? So this one is 2M each, and I have 20 battery, right? So 20 battery times 3.5, right? So that means 70 M, right? 70 M, 70 M, and 70 M. So that means 207 and 3, that's 21, 210 M. That's unreal, right? 210 M on this one, or 200 M. Okay, this is a ton of power, right, guys? Wow. Am I calculated wrong? Okay, 3.5 M each. That means okay, 20 times 3, that 7, right? 7 M, 7 210 M. And then another one is 3.5 M, 35 M, 210 plus 35, that is what, 245, right? 245 M. This is unreal. That pack is 245 M. Wow. 12 volt, 12.6 volt, 245. Wow, that's a ton of power, right? So if I have so much battery, I have thousands of this, so I could have like a powerhouse, right? My 300 watts battery on the top, and I can survive this winter totally fine. For my lighting and laptop, computer, and the TV, small TV, like 52-inch TV monitor. And okay, and then I make a pack of this for a 40 cell, just 40 cell for the 14 volt, right? Because if it's overcharged, it will run to a 16 volt, right? 14 volt, 16 volt, totally fine. It will go above, and then another, and then this pack, I will make a multiple pack like this for a 12.6 volt. So that inverter will run totally fine. Wow, that's crazy, a lot of power. And well, that one is run up to 14.4. I don't think that one run up to 15 volt. So you guys, there are a lot of inverter out there. It can run up to 15 volt. You guys want to look that up, and make sure that you guys read the standby mode. Okay, some of them, they don't even list the standby mode. It's important that you guys know the standby mode, because that will tell you how much the power that it loses when it just sit there. This also answer a lot of questions that a lot of people, I have this kind of question before, that some people have to go to the setting. See this one, they also have the small monitor on the right side. In the morning, they have to calculate about the sun, how much sun they have, and blah 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 on that day, or how much they use, or they have to watch how much the input and output of their solar pack, charge controller, or the measurement of the input output. That's way too much work, right, guys? You guys want to set it up and you guys done, you do something else. You don't want to spend a lot of time on this stuff every day, calculate how much sun in out, blah blah blah. So this one you just and that person have to go change the setting mode every day. Okay, so this button is not last you forever. Okay guys, you to keep pressing on it and you change the setting. The buffing is that what the person say, the buffing, whatever the voltage of that their battery pack. So with this my setting, I just have another another 4 series and a 3 series, and then I will be set. I don't have to think about too much. This one I have 2 of this 4 series. I think it will be totally fine because when it go above the this one is just like for backup for the buffing above the 12 volt 12.6 volt, so I don't have to turn on my lead acid battery. Okay, this one is I think it's like 8 amp or 10 amp, right? I have to turn this one on when so it's not going to be overcharged, and then when I overcharge that and that turn off. So this one I have to turn it on when is on that day that I know is have a lot of sun and not cloudy. Then I turn it on, and then in the afternoon I come back home, or I have to call I come back late, I have to call my mom come out and turn this one off for me. So that at 5 p.m 4:30 or 4 or 5 p.m I have to turn this one off. Okay, that is way too much work, right guys? You don't want to do that. You want something that set and done, so you can do something else and you don't have to worry about it. Because this one, when it's run low, this one will die quicker. Okay, so this one lead acid battery, they always want to stay at a full charge all the time, right? When you run it low, it will die quicker, and it will cost you money again to replace them. Okay, this is not cheap anymore from Harbor Freight. Now this thing is like $70 plus tax at like $76. Okay, thank you very much for viewing my video, guys. What else that I missed? You guys have question or discussion, please click on the link below. So this one I can put a 4-pack in there. I have a couple more of this. It's this one is like a stereo inverter. You see this one, stereo amplifier, whatever. Okay, all right, thank you very much guys for viewing my video. Please excuse the messy, and this one is I'm going to use this to ouch, the battery drop on my toes. So this one will, no, it's not even fit. It's not going to fit. Do you guys think this fit? I think so. I think it will fit. I will try that. Alright, thank you guys for viewing my video. Please do like, subscribe, and help me out. Subscribe and refer friend and tell them to watch it and blah blah blah. Just help me out. Thanks a lot guys, and I will subscribe you guys back. And please click on the link below to see all the discount and refer. And have a good day, have a good weekend. Please stay safe, and see you next video.